getting your luxury and premium apartment in the birthplace residence of Navi Mumbai, that is Vashi, with the name set of our developer and once in a lifetime decade opportunity to get your home in the center of Vashi. Welcome to PropWeb, and today we are presenting to you Arihant Advika, that is situated in Sector 9 Vashi. Talking about Arihant Superstructure Limited, they have 30 plus years of legacy with 65 projects delivered successfully and 18 ongoing projects with 12,000 plus families happily situated. Now I'll be giving you overview about this project in specific. Talking about Arihant Advika, being this project is 3.75 acres land parcel made divided into 2 towers, which is a G plus 26 story building. You're getting 4 levels of basement and podium level car parking, and with that third floor is for your podium level amenities with 41,000 square feet total amenities area. You're also getting rooftop and 26th floor for your amenities area. You're getting temperature controlled swimming pool along with other amenities like banquet hall, and you're getting open and closed gymnasium with rooftop level amenities like party lawn, senior citizens area, yoga deck, and many other amenities that you're getting in this project. They have 2 and 3 BHKs available with premium fittings that I'll be showing you. Next, apart from that, talking about Vashi being the center of Navi Mumbai and in the heart of Navi Mumbai, a prime location that you're getting this project in Sector 9, which is again very well connected to all the nearby locations like markets, Navi Mumbai International Airport, Palm Beach Road, and you're also getting mini seashore, which is just walking distance approximately 4 to 5 minutes. And apart from that, Vashi railway station is also 10 minutes from here. Schools like St. Mary's and Father Agnews is also just 4 to 5 minutes. And apart from that, Fortis Hospital is also at a walking distance, and Jain Temple under the vicinity of this project. So as you can see, it is very well connected. I don't really have to mention much about when we talk about Sector 9 being the prime location of Vashi of Navi Mumbai. So this was about our project and connectivity. Now I shall take you through our sample flats. So starting from our foyer area, we are entering into our 2 BHK sample flat, which is very luxury and premium. And as you can see, here is our living area, which again you can set your couch and your wall unit right next, and here you get full length glass facade windows and 2 windows for ventilation. Moving on, and you'll also get amazing view of the whole Vashi and Navi Mumbai from your 22nd floor. Just imagine the premium and prime location of Navi Mumbai is Vashi, and you're getting your view from your apartment from here. This is our dining area, which can again very well efficiently place your 6 to 8 seater dining according to your requirements. Moving on, the floor to ceiling height here is again one of the major USPs, which is 11 feet. So you can see how spacious and how huge your apartment would look. Moving on, we're getting into our very spacious individual kitchen unit, which has double platform, as you can see. And here you're getting attached utility space with your refrigerator space given to you individually. Right opposite, we have our common washroom, which again comes with vitrified tilings and premium fittings, and you get your utility area also given to you the same way. Moving on, you're getting your wash-up space, as you can see. For your washing machine also, you're getting individual space here. And we're getting now entering into our common bedroom, which is again very well utilized, very efficient. With your bed, you can also place your wardrobe very efficiently and still you have enough space. So you have to be very mindful when you are decorating. You can take inspirations from our sample flat, and you're getting full length glass facade windows again, and the other 2 windows for ventilation. Moving on now we are entering into our final master bedroom, which is again very spacious and premium, as you can see. And also you're getting windows right next to it, and comes with attached washroom that gives you premium fittings and vitrified tilings, and also comes with French windows for ventilation. So this was our premium and luxury 2 BHK sample flat for you by Arihant, and the pricing here for 2 BHK is starting from 2.50 CR plus taxes, and 3 BHK starts from 3.50 CR plus taxes. They also have amazing payment plans like CLP, which is very convenient. So according to your convenience, you can start your booking now. For booking purpose and more information, contact us today on the given details below.